Hi, I'm Kevin, and I can't cook. So I've been reaching out to my friends to teach me how to cook, and they've been giving me video instructions on their recipes, and I've had some great fun. One of the things I haven't been able to find was a good pita bread recipe. So I searched the internet and I've tried several, and they didn't always go too well. But this one seems to work really, really well, and it goes exceptionally well with the tzatziki recipe that Yanis gave to me and taught me how to make the other week. So thank you, Yanis, and hopefully this will be a good recipe for you to make your own pita bread rather than having to go to the shops to buy. Great, thanks. Enjoy. First and foremost, we need 800 grams of strong white flour. Now we need 7 grams of yeast. We're going to add 500 mils of warm water. Now I'm going to add 1 and a half of sugar. Add my yeast. Gonna mix that together. Okay, now we're just going to add our salt and I'm just going to get a wooden, stir that in. Add, give this another little bit of a stir. Make sure it's really properly dissolved. I'm just going to add a little bit of water, like this. Not all of it, just a little bit to begin. 4 tablespoons of extra olive oil. So 4 tablespoonfuls of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is just to help with the kneading of the dough. So I'm going to pull that out into there like this. See how the flour just helps maneuver it a bit. You got it Okay, here we have our dough. I've just put a little bit of flour here to make sure that it doesn't stick. We're going to leave it on this board for 2 hours, okay? And it should double in size, okay? So you should be able to see that there, and we're looking for it to double in size. You see that it has doubled in its size. What we're going to do is just going to mash it up, just squish it down a bit. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut this into 16 different little balls. So I'm going to flour this whole wooden board. Okay. Just okay. So just gonna put my flour and just so it just doesn't stick into it. So just okay, so it's been an hour, and I'm just going to add a little bit of oil into this pan. Okay, now what I find the best way is just to put a bit of tissue paper and just move it around. Roll out the flour. I'm just going to use a little bit of oil on this surface just to, might be a bit too much, but I can use as you can see. I'm just going to, where I've oiled, just flatten it like this. Okay, and I'm just going to roll it out so that it's my first one. I'm just pulling it back into shape a little bit, which you can do. As you can see, these are our pita breads, okay, and quite a lot, you must probably saying, but yeah, it's you can turn this around. So You can put them in the fridge. Put them in a bag or put them on cling film or whatever. You can put them in the fridge, and then when you want to use them, you can pop them in the oven for a few minutes until they're warm, and then they're ready and moist. So, yeah, enjoy.